is going to move the chapter 15, statistical inference. It's very important. I have already uploaded the lectures of statistical inference. You can watch the playlist. Next step is here. It's very important. What is statistical inference? What is point estimation? Estimation. I must remember that estimation is a process and estimate is a value and estimator is a formula. Just a little difference between them. And point estimation is for single, and next interval estimation is for range. So here next topic is here. The good point estimator properties are very important. Good point estimator properties I already discussed in the lectures of BSC statistics. You can also visit the playlist of next unbiasedness. In this topic, must remember that this question is very important for exams. Sample mean is unbiased estimator of population base. This question proof is here from let us consider to the portion any population. This section is very important for exams. Next, you can also try the example 15.2 is very important for exams. Next step. Now I'm going to move the exam. Now also move the this proof is also very important. Expectation of S square to sigma square. This proof is also very important for exams. Next, example 15.3 is very important. Next step is here. Example 15.4 is very important for BSc Statistics Part 2 exams. Next, example 15.6 is also very important. Next, now this topic is very important. MSc mean square error topic is very important, and also its proof is very important for exams. Now next step is there. Now methods of point estimation, method of maximum likelihood. I have already discussed the lectures of maximum likelihood. You can also prove the MLE for Poisson binomial. Must watch the playlist of this channel. You can easily learn and do this very easily. You can also share. Next step is here. Now I'm going to move the exercise. In exercise at page number 114, C part is very important. Is an estimator or random variable? Is very important. Yes, because estimator has different values for probability distribution. So estimator is a random variable. It's very important topic. Next step is here. 15.5 question is very important. A B part. 15.6 very important for A B part is very important for exams. Very important for BSc Statistics Part 2 2022 exams. This question is very important. 15.7 A B part. 15.8 A B parts are very important. 15.9 B part. 15.10 B part are very important for exams. You can also try the B C part is very important. Next step. So in the next step, 15.13 is very important. 15.14 and next 15.15 and 15.16 and next 15.17, 15.18 are very important for exam. I have already solved this question in my lectures of statistics, which are available in the playlist of this channel. So here, next step is here. 15.20 confidence coefficient, confidence interval is very important for definitions. Next, 15.24 question is very important. 15.25 BC part. 15.26 AB part. And next step is here. 15.28 are very important for exams of BSc Statistics Part 2. 15.21 B part. 15.34, 15.35 ABC parts are 15.36 are 15.36 is also very important question. Next, 15.39 ABC part. 15.40